Hello, in this video we're going to show how to turn off the light that shows that the pressure in the tires is low. The first thing that we will do after we confirm that we don't have any major problem in the tires is put air in them, and for this we will confirm the pressure in this chart. Then we're going to go to Home, Settings, Vehicle, and we're going to choose the option TPMS calibration, which TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System. And then we will choose Calibrate. We'll choose or click on OK. And the light is off. Thank you.